Hello guys, welcome back to another developer video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a statue like this. Well, first off, if you want to make your name and stuff like this, I'll show you guys how to do in this video too. If you guys want to know how to do this, like how to do all this and all that. So first what you want to do is, the link will be in the description. It's a load character plugin. I'm going to hit that. And then you're gonna put let's say, let's do Supernova 12/22. No, actually, let's do this one. 8tux_dev. And then you're gonna spawn him both, so you can see which one works. And then here's him right here. So I accidentally did that. So I'm going to spawn him again. It's 8tux_x_dev. And then I'm going to spawn R6. And R15. I guess he doesn't have that option as it. So, yep, that's actually right. So that's an R6. Actually, let's just redo that. 8tux_dev. So you're just gonna put the username in there, and you're gonna spawn both, and you're gonna put them here. Also, Reef is on chat with me, by the way. So you're gonna look up dance script on the first one by Mini Kitabubu. Gonna insert that into the game. Drag that to whoever you want. 8tux, I'm going to put him in there, and then you're going to get his other 8tux, and you're going to grab the dance script again, and then you're going to drag it down to, and put him in 8tux, and then you're going to hit, plug it, no, you're going to hit view, no, whatever you guys have as get into play. And then you're going to hit play. And then when you go in. By the way, if you guys want to play this game, it's in the description. It's Reef mostly made it. I did the scripts and that keeps popping up. If you guys know how to fix that, tell me. So over here you see that. You see me, that's Reef doing a dance. There's 8tux right there. See, they switch dances, and I'm up here on the statue. So this one won't work. So that means you're going to have to keep this one, and then you can put them on the statue. So you're going to stop the game, go back, and you're going to get rid of this 8tux, and then then you can get whatever statue you want. I'm going to duplicate this one because I don't feel like making another one. And then I'm just going to remove me on top. And then you're gonna put 8tux on top, and then if you want to make this thing, all the plugins will be in the description and everything. You can hit free text and then activate that. What happened to it? And then you can get that. And then you can put it on there. Add your name, do whatever you want on here, pick your color, whatever you want, and then there you go. Have fun, stay safe, goodbye.
But I won't sleep tonight. Baby, you should come with me. I'll take you to the dark side.